This is the final video to fix Halo Infinite crashing on Steam and Game Pass. And if your game keeps closing, let me ask you, are you trying to play Halo Infinite but it crashes at startup or mid-game? This problem usually happens because graphics drivers are outdated, game files are corrupted, or background apps conflict with Steam or Game Pass services. Sometimes Windows updates or antivirus also trigger crashes. Many people search YouTube or social media and find long guides with risky file replacements, complicated reinstalls, or steps that feel hard to follow. Most of those fixes waste time and still do not stop the crashes. But on Rexis, I focus on simple and reliable solutions. Now here's my secret easy trick. Instead of reinstalling everything blindly, we fix the exact game files, driver, and system path that cause Halo Infinite to crash. This works because it restores proper communication between the game and Windows. The method is fast, safe, and works on all setups. Once you apply it, Halo Infinite launches normally, runs smoothly, and crashes disappear. I tested this fix on multiple PCs, and it worked every time. That is why Rexis shares smart, stress-free solutions. If Halo Infinite crashing on Steam or Game Pass is ruining your gameplay and you want a full step-by-step tutorial with exact actions, comment below and I will guide you completely.